Yeah. Next, like this, we create the object. After that, we start using this object, right?
Right.
So instead of this, to create an object, what we required basically the class, right? Class reference, right?
Right.
So we can have a one method here itself. If create car, okay? Create car. It is a class method, guys. At the rate class method. If it is a class method, it should take a CLS, right? By convention.
Right.
And here
Yes.
obj equal to CLS. We can refer CLS of this is the object creation only, right? At runtime, the CLS will be the car only, right? Like this.
Yes.
No.
Understood now? So
No.
after that, it return the actual created object. Okay.
Yeah.
So in this context, here it is showing some actually name and unfilled parameter name and brand, right?
Right.
So because this class having constructor, we should pass. So here we
Yes.
should have the ability to pass the parameters, right? Name comma
Right.
Yes.
brand.
Brand.
You can simply pass name comma brand, right?
Brand.
Whatever
Yes.
data you are passing here, again we are passing to this object creation. So it will pass here, assign to here, right?
Yeah.
So next, how do you create it? So in order to create it, since it is a class method, we can call this with the help of this class name, right?
Last name. Right.
So let's say my obj car dot create car. Okay. Name is excuse me. Name is this one. So that means it's supposed to create an object, right, guys?
Right.
So this you can consider a create car is it is making car object, right? You can consider
Yes.
instead of that car CTO or car factory. Okay. Car factory of name is equal to image, brand is equal to, it will create that car, right? If it is a factory. Hello?
Yes.
Just naming convention, okay? Now?
Yes.
So it is a factory, it is making object, right? If it is a class method, we have access to class. You can create the object of the class and return that object, right?
Right.
So is it satisfying? It can be used to create a factory
Yes.
method that allows to create an object of the class and return, right?
Yep.
It cannot return object and cannot create object as no reference to class, no access to class, right?
Yep.
Understood?
Yep.
Yes.
I hope you guys understood this one.
Yeah. Understood.
So sometimes
Can we execute that one?
yeah, sometimes that with the help of this, right? Hello, factories, right? With the help of if you have some parameters like wheels, we have something like, right? Wheels is equal to 4, right? Some data, okay, now based on some let's say we just call this one.
Okay.
We just call this car factory, right?
Air balance is 2, like that.
Yeah, let's say car factory, comma, let's say brand, okay, now based on the brand, let's assume we have 2 classes, okay? Hello?
Yep.
So based on some conditional base, we can create the object, right? Sometimes.
Yes, some features are okay.
Yeah, we have ability to write that logic. Based on that, we can create appropriate class object, right? Car factory.
Okay.
Understood, no? Let's say, hello guys, let's say we have a type, okay, na? Vehicle type.
Okay.
Vehicle type. What is the typo? VECHIEL, right?
VEHICLE. VC కాదు.
Sorry, yes. Vehicle types. Yes. Finally got it.
VHICL.
Yeah.
VE.
Finally. Yeah. Okay, this is the vehicle type. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
So this is the vehicle type. So we will pass the vehicle type. Okay. Let's say each vehicle having some characteristics. Okay.
Okay.
So
Specifications.
and some specifications. Let's say name, comma, brand, comma, ground clearance. Okay. Ground clearance is equal to none by default. Let's say it is a default parameter. Okay, now guys.
Okay.
No any none.
Hmm.
So here self dot ground
On road clearance, we can put an instant of ground clearance.
okay, ground clearance. Okay.
Okay.
So now I do not have the ability to pass ground clearance, right? So based on the vehicle type, we have to decide which parameter we want to use here, right?
Okay.
Okay.
So let's say if vehicle VECHIL, why it is not coming? What is the ground clearance, guys? 2 feet.
None.
Guys, let's say 2 feet. Okay.
Okay.
So if it is a normal type, Sedan hatchback is there, right? Let's say for all other cars, OBJ is equal to CLS of same thing. It's kind of a very lesser ground clearance rate for all other cars.
Right.
Let's say 1.5. Okay.
No.
So in this case, while creating object, I can simply pass the vehicle type right here.
Okay.
So what will happen? Based on this parameter, we are able to pass the appropriate. So inside this factory, we are deciding, right, which vehicle we are going to make. Ground clearance. Hello. So
Yes.
with the help of this factory, we have this kind of ability, right? Instead of writing, taking this destination here, we are simply interacting with this interface. This interface is taking care about the passing this ground clearance, right? It's kind of hidden, right?
Yes,
Note.
yes.
Understood? So
Yeah,
Right.
understood.
in this case, we have to know the ground clearance also. Here we have to pass it, right? If you want to define like this, if you go with the car factory function will declare it based on the this vehicle type, right?
Note.
Understood?
Both.
Yes, this is, the
Yeah,
objects are
understood.
creating inside the class methods only, right?
Yes, yes. Inside class method only you can create object because we need a class, right?
Right, right,
So at runtime it is a car only, right? This car class only, right? The CLS.
right, 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 right.
So it is a object only, right? Object storing here. Okay. Whatever object it is going to come. So let's say dot ground my obj, right? Sorry. My obj dot ground clearance. Ground clearance should be 2 feet, right, guys?
Note, right, assume.
Yes.
If it is empty, it is by default 1.5 feet, right?
Note,
Okay.
Okay. The factory decides based on some factors. Okay. So these
Okay.
details may not know the user, right? Basically, sometimes
right,
whoever is using our software. So we will simply provide the high level data. Based on that data, we will decide the low level data, right? So that
ground clearance is instance variable, right here.
yeah, it's instance variable because it's a one car object, right? So car to
Okay.
car, it will vary, na?
Note,
So basically, the main aim is with the help of factory function, you can create an object and return the object, right?
note,
Yes.
Okay. Okay, is this satisfying you? This statement?
right.
Yes,
So,
yes.
yeah. Yeah, yes, yes. I am done for today, guys.
Note.
Okay.
Till now, we have discussed